Now I'd like to share with you how to choose the Dragonfly Laryngeal Surface Electrode for ET tube sizes 6.0 to 10.0 inner diameter, how to apply those electrodes to the tube, and then provide some instructions for intubation and proper positioning. First of all then, the Dragonfly Laryngeal electrodes come in a purple box like the one you see here. The label will clearly indicate the item code and the ET tube size for which the electrode is intended. Pulling this out of the box here, I have an instructional insert that you'll find with every electrode, as well as the electrode itself. This instructional insert provides information on what electrode, item code, and ET tube sizes should be paired, as well as some illustrations that help you in proper use of the product. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open up this electrode pouch. Keep in mind these do come sterile, and in the operating room gloves would be worn and some care would be taken to maintain the cleanliness and sterility of the product. Okay, I'm going to uncoil the wire. It's packaged coiled and have it ready for application. I'm going to choose my ET tube. This is a standard endotracheal tube with a PVC construction, PVC material, and has not been lubricated with any silicone or any other lubricant at this point. That would inhibit the ability of the electrode to adhere to the ET tube. I've inserted a stylet to straighten the tube, and then I'm going to turn it over to expose the posterior side of the tube, or the bottom of the tube, which is where we'll begin to apply the electrode. Okay, now I'm going to pick up the electrode by the wires near the electrode, turning it over. I'm going to remove the paper backing that covers the adhesive. That can be done most easily from the corners near the wires. Then I'm going to turn that electrode over and I'm going to look through the clear window. And I'm going to steady the tube, and aiming with the bottom, I'm going to apply this electrode just below where the balloon cuff meets, the end of the cuff meets the tube. And I'm going to press that down all along the clear middle of the electrode. From there, I'm going to press between the blue stripes, bringing the electrode all the way around, and then pressing that out to the ends or the corners of the electrode to make sure that it's adhered all the way around. As you see, I have a nice adhesion. I want to make sure no edges are coming up. Okay, at this point, I want to mention that the stylet can be left in for intubation, and if the practitioner would like to put a bend in the tube to facilitate the intubation, we recommend that those bends be placed on either side of the electrode in order to prevent it from coming up from the tube.